Embarking on a fitness journey is like stepping into a world of endless possibilities for personal growth and well-being. However, navigating the twists and turns of this path requires more than just a workout plan. It demands a steady flow of motivation if you're looking to inject a dose of inspiration into your fitness routine. Here are 10 fascinating facts that will not only pique your interest, but also help you stay motivated on your journey to a healthier, fitter you. 1. Set clear and achievable goals. Define your fitness goals with clarity, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, or improved cardiovascular health. Setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals provides a roadmap for your journey. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable milestones for a sense of accomplishment along the way. 2. Create a workout schedule. Establishing a consistent workout schedule helps build a routine and makes it easier to stay committed. Treat your workouts like important appointments, prioritizing them in your daily or weekly calendar. Consistency is key when it comes to fitness progress. 3. Find an exercise routine you enjoy. Make your fitness journey enjoyable by choosing activities you genuinely like. Whether it's running, weightlifting, yoga, or dancing, finding pleasure in your workouts increases the likelihood of sticking with them. Experiment with different activities until you discover what makes you excited to move. 4. Mix up your routine. Avoid the monotony of the same workout every day. Incorporate variety into your routine by trying different exercises, classes, or sports. This not only prevents boredom, but also challenges your body in new ways, promoting continuous improvement. 5. Track your progress. Keep a record of your achievements to visualize your progress. Whether it's through a fitness app, a journal, or photos, tracking improvements in strength, endurance, or physique serves as a powerful motivator. Celebrate small victories and use setbacks as learning experiences. 6. Build a support system. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, family, or workout buddies who share similar fitness goals. Having a support system provides encouragement, accountability, and camaraderie. Share your achievements and challenges, and celebrate each other's successes. 7. Reward yourself. Establish a reward system for reaching milestones. Treat yourself to something special when you achieve a fitness goal, whether it's a new workout outfit, a spa day, or a guilt-free indulgence. Rewards can reinforce positive behavior and help maintain motivation. 8. Stay informed and inspired. Stay engaged with your fitness journey by staying informed about the latest trends, techniques, and success stories. Follow fitness influencers, read articles, or join online communities to stay inspired and learn new ways to enhance your workouts. 9. Prioritize recovery. Recognize the importance of rest and recovery in your fitness journey. Overtraining can lead to burnout and demotivation. Ensure you get enough sleep, incorporate rest days into your routine, and consider activities like stretching or meditation to support overall well-being. 10. Visualize your end goal. Picture yourself achieving your ultimate fitness goal. Visualization can be a powerful tool in maintaining motivation. Create a mental image of the healthier, fitter version of yourself, and use it as a source of inspiration during challenging times. Remember, staying motivated on your fitness journey is a dynamic process that requires patience and commitment. By incorporating these tips into your routine, you'll be better equipped to overcome obstacles and achieve lasting success in your pursuit of a healthier lifestyle.